Okay, we've just finished cleaning the mattress with the machine. Obviously it's got UVC lights at the front, which here that will destroy any sort of fungi or bacteria that's living on the surface of the mattress. And with a high vibration system, it'll extract all the dust mites and the dust mite excrement within the mattress. Now, this is the viewing canister. I'm just going to open up. So we've only done one side, and let me just open this up. He says, and that is what's in the mattress. And if I just pull that out, and that's by doing one side, you can see. So when you're lying in bed and the bed acts like a bellows, you're inhaling all that dust mite excrement, and that is why some people suffer with a bit of allergies and a bit of a problem with their eyes. Okay, so if you've got any problems, give us a call on 01327 342 594 and we're here to help.